highly revealing state announcement titled National Vesak Festival 2026. According to the cabinet's approved plans, the 2026 State Vesak Festival is going to be held in the Matara district.
It does.
The central hub is the ancient Midellawala Temple premises in Tayagota. Because bringing a modern national festival to an ancient temple in Tayagota...
By choosing Midellawala Temple, the state is prioritizing spiritual continuity over easy logistics.
Oh, I see.
The official announcement explicitly notes that this festival marks the Buddhist year 2570.
Wow. 2,570 years.
Exactly. When you attach that specific towering number to the event, you cannot host it in a sterile modern building.
Right. A convention center would just feel...
It would feel completely disconnected. The physical soil has to match the historical weight of the year. So the Midellawala Temple provides that unbroken chain to the past.
It forces the modern attendee to literally step into history.
Precisely.
But, the timeline they're laying over this ancient site is equally aggressive.
Oh, the scheduling is wild.
Yeah. The national celebrations are set to run from May 27 to June 2, 2026.
Yeah, the announcement reveals that this 7-day period will feature a wide range of Buddhist religious programs implemented across the entire country.
The machinery operating behind the curtain.
The organizers.
Right. The announcement lists the organizers of this massive joint effort. First, we have the Ministry of Buddhist Sasana, Religious and Cultural Affairs, alongside the Department of Buddhist Affairs.
We just spent time discussing the ancient Midellawala Temple. We discussed the sheer historical weight of the Buddhist year 2570.
Right, all that history.
And we usually associate ancient religious traditions with, peace, patience, meditation, and a sense of timelessness.
Stillness.
Yeah, stillness. It's about taking a breath.